12, 11, 10, 9. Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff.
What is it? We have some explanation for that. We have none. Don't worry. Continue your program. Oh boy, it's really something super fantastic here. You couldn't ever imagine this.
All your systems are looking good going around the corner. We'll see you on the other side. Over.
Well, it's kind of rich. Pretty spectacular. My God. What is that there? What the hell is that? No, Tango. It's kind of light there now. Roger, we got it. We marked it. Lose communication. Bravo Tango. No, here's the bell. Roger, we know about that. Could you go the other way? Go back the other way.
Columbia, Houston, over.
Houston, Columbia, reading you loud and clear. How many?
Watch 5 by Mike. How did he go, over?
40, 50 feet. Why don't you turn around and let them get a view from there and see what the field of view looks like.
Listen, Dave, everything's going just swimmingly. Beautiful.
Great. We're standing by for Eagle.
Roger, the burn was on time. The residuals before nulling, -0.1, -0.4, -0.1. X and Z null to 0.
We're now coming up on 30 seconds to acquisition of the command module. And we'll stand by for that event.
I don't want to go into the sun if I can